The Sharia Court, often referred to as SYC, is the institution in Singapore which adjudicates on Muslim divorce. In 1958, a young Singapore facing an uncertain future saw the need for a Muslim court to hear Muslim family law matters such as marriage and divorce for the growing community. And so, with the enactment of the Muslims Ordinance 1957, the Sharia Court began its story in a black and white bungalow at Fort Canning Park, sharing its home with the Registry of Muslim Marriages. The Sharia Court's first 4 presidents led the court as it embarked on what would be a long and storied journey to bringing resolution to the Muslim community's family disputes. In a newly independent Singapore, the government introduced the Administration of Muslim Law Act 1966, or AMLA, which repealed the Muslims Ordinance 1957 that had governed the court up until that point. AMLA re-established the Sharia Court, refining its jurisdiction and powers, ready to serve the Muslim community of a young nation finding its way. The 70s and 80s saw the Sharia Court, helmed by eminent community leaders like Ustaz Abu Bakar Hashim, undertake the challenge of establishing court processes, interpreting and applying Muslim law, and resolving the legal family disputes of Muslim families. Venturing out on its own, the Sharia Court moved to a modest building at Pearls Hill. Soon, the responsibilities and work of the court outgrew its home, and the court relocated to the Ministry of Community Development building on Thomson Road, equipped with newer courtrooms and amenities. In 1992, with a notable increase in Muslim divorce cases, the Sharia Court appointed 2 full-time presidents and later a 3rd president to efficiently manage the backlog of cases. In 1999, the landmark AMLA amendments injected enhanced efficiency with the creation of the position of senior president, appointment of more presidents, including ad hoc presidents, and a registrar, enhancing the court's ability to provide timely legal resolutions. In 2009, the court moved to its current home at Family Link at Lingkok Baru, with more chambers, mediation rooms, and courtrooms to serve its clients. Ever ready to improve its processes to better serve the community, the Sharia Court embraced digitalization and modernized its services with online platforms, enhancing accessibility and efficiency for the Muslim community. As early as 1958, the court recognized the importance of counseling as a pre-divorce feature. 2004 saw counseling in Sharia Court being formalized as the court's flagship marriage counseling program, a crucial program for couples to receive counseling, explore reconciliation, and carefully consider post-divorce arrangements. In line with its mission, to save or salvage marriages, to settle divorces amicably, and to deliver just outcomes, mediation as the first court event after the filing of a divorce application allows parties to discuss their options and reach a settlement that both sides agree to without having to resort to protracted or acrimonious proceedings. Hakam are asatiza, or religious scholars, appointed by the court to resolve the parties' marital dispute. Even if reconciliation is not possible, the invaluable perspective of the Hakam encourages parties to part amicably so that the family relationship, especially where there are children, is preserved. Recognizing the importance of supporting its partners like the Hakam, the Sharia Court launched the Hikmah Training and Assessment Framework for Hakam in 2023. Indeed, children are and will always be at the heart of any family dispute. The court is committed to minimizing the impact of a family breakdown on children and placing their welfare as the paramount consideration. The court counseling framework implemented in 2022 helps the court fulfill this purpose. The enhanced joint child interview process now involves a court counselor who sits in judicial child interviews convened by the president of the court to ascertain the child's concerns and views, which assist the court in arriving at a decision that is in the welfare of the child. In 2023, the court implemented its child representative scheme, which provides yet another avenue for the court to hear the child's voice. As Singapore and society changes, the Sharia court will change with it, standing as a testament to the enduring spirit of justice and its role in preserving family relationships. As we look to the future, the Sharia Court of Singapore will strive to continue to meet the needs of the community and realize its vision of being a reliable, dynamic, and just court which inspires confidence.